What's the difference between the four colored bell peppers? Let's break it down. First up, green bell peppers. These are picked early, so they're less sweet and have a grassy, slightly bitter flavor. Next, yellow peppers. These are more mature than green, with a mild fruity taste and medium sweetness. Orange peppers, older than yellow, they're sweet and fruity, slightly more than yellow. Finally, red peppers, the most mature, are the sweetest and richest of the four. So whether you like bold and grassy or sweet and rich, each color has its own flavor. Which one's your favorite? Have fun cooking.